All right, guys, we got a 2021 Ford Mustang 4-cylinder EcoBoost turbo with a purple tiger wrap. I don't know. It's got eyes on it. So, anyways, factory converter there. Comes down single. Put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK on it into the Y pipe. Pull it out the back with a rear muffler delete right there and there. Some 4-inch black tips. There's all the old stuff we cut off. Rear mufflers, mids. Yep. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
2019 Ford Mustang. Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo in sexy red. Burgundy. Red or burgundy, whatever you choose, it's fine. Factory converters there. Factory resonator there. Then we 2.25 pipe. Then we added 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side where the mufflers were. We did a muffler delete there and there. Put some massive 5-inch carbon fiber tips because why not? It just looks sexier and nicer. Look at that spoiler out the back. Just a really beautiful color all the way around. There's the stock 2 mufflers that were on it right there that we cut off. Ugly. Nice. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe to Exhaust That.
MAGNAPACK middles, rear delete. Sound decibels. 101. Again. Yeah, 101. It's not bad. Did you hit 103? 103 then. Cobra on the side. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Action! Yeah, see, it's not too bad. That's perfect. Oh, nice. Got some pop to it. Here's sound decibels again. One more. Right at 105. Again. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds good. I like it. That's not bad at all. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
The 2021 Ford Mustang 4.0. MAGNAPACK middles, Y pipe rear delete with 4-inch tips.
Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Rear muffler delete 5-inch carbon fiber tips. Yeah! Haha! Enjoy, guys. I like it.